Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by verifying the model and backing up your iPad. This protects data if something goes wrong. Once done, power off and remove any case or SIM, and lay the device screen up on a flat, clean surface. Heat the rear housing gently to soften adhesive. Use a 40-45 degrees C heat pad for a few minutes. Don't overheat. Make sure to have a soft clamp and microfiber nearby so you can stabilize the device after partial reshaping, because control is everything in the first moves. You now perform the core correction. Heat to maintain pliability, then apply slow, even counterpressure across the curve. Use curved supports under both ends and a soft clamp pressing across the midpoint. Tighten in small increments over several 5-10-minute cycles, and pause to test buttons and touch response. This gradual approach prevents sudden stress on the frame or internal parts. Keep monitoring temperature and tactile feedback. If resistance spikes, release pressure and reheat. Stay patient. Once the shape is corrected, you must let the iPad cool fully under the clamp for at least 30 to 60 minutes so the frame sets. After cooling, reassemble and run a complete function check. Battery life, Wi-Fi, cameras, speakers, and biometric sensors, because alignment issues often surface only after reassembly. If the screen shows lift, discoloration, or touch dead zones, stop further DIY adjustments and seek authorized repair. Forcing more correction risks permanent damage, so this troubleshooting step protects the device and
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.